Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can scan a QR code using the latest Samsung Galaxy S23 flagships, which are the Samsung Galaxy S23, the S23 Plus, and the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. So we're going to open the camera application here and tap on the settings icon on the top left. Then make sure that this toggle of scan QR codes is enabled. Then the next thing you need to make sure is that you are in photo mode, and then all you need to do is point your camera to the QR code. Bam, here it is. It detected it automatically. This is the QR code for Wikipedia. Of course, the QR code can be on a visiting card, on a menu card, anywhere. The other pro tip is you should also have a quick setting tile for QR code. So here it is, scan QR code quick setting tile, select that, point the phone towards the QR code. Here it is. Either you can copy the link or you can open the link. QR code scanned successfully like a boss on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series.